channel. We have this question on indices and logarithm. It says 0.3 raised to the power of x is equals to 0.5 raised to the power of 8. We're actually going to introduce logarithm at this point so that the log of 0.3 raised to the power of x will be the same thing as the log of 0.5 raised to the power of 8. Whatever I do to the left, I also do to the right. So we just introduced logarithm at both sides. Now remember that the log of b or a raised to the power of b, I can rewrite it as b log a. So we're going to use this principle on both sides so that x log 0.3 will equals 8 log 0.5. Obviously, my x now will be the same thing as 8 log 0.5 all over the log of 0.3. So that this will be the same thing as 8 now into what's the log of 0.5? Let's call up my calculator. So that's 0.5. That's 0.5 logarithm. The log of 0.50 minus 0.3010. So that's minus 0.3010, and the log of 0.3, let's find out. That's 0.3. Here I have log, that's minus 0.5229. Approximately, that's minus 0.5229. Without missing words, these negative signs cancels each other. So I'll be multiplying it by 0.301. So that I have 8 times 0.3010 with the same thing as 2.408. Now that means my x now will be 2.408 all over 0.5229. Now so I'll have 2.408 divided by 0.5229. Now, if you look at my alternatives here, I have 4.60508. Now, if you look closely at the alternatives, you see that I have 4.61, 4.606, and 0.461. Now, the question wants me to solve correct to 3 significant figures. Take note of this. It wants me to solve correct to 3 significant figures. So I have to it correct to 3 significant figures. Or approximate, if you approximate 4.6, the next one is 0. 3 significant figures, I'll approximate my 5 to become 1. So the correct answer here is 4.61. 4.61. I hope you understood how I went about solving these indices and logarithm problems and also producing my results correct to 3 significant figures. Thank you for staying with me and see you in another class.